Now, cropping may sound easy to you. It's selectively composing your photograph. But the reality is lots of people struggle with cropping, not knowing what to crop or how to shape it. So Luminar AI introduced Composition AI, which not only crops, but allows you to fix perspective issues. So let's start here with a simple photograph, and we'll go to Edit, and I'm going to select Composition AI. With one click, it's going to analyze the image and make a suggestion. In this case, it feels a tighter crop would be warranted, and it places the key object more at the rule of thirds intersection point. I can also click to straighten the picture, and it estimates the horizon line and properly calculates it. Now, with the click of the return button, the new crop is applied. Let's press the arrow key and look at one that's a little more complex. In this case, I will choose Composition AI to get a recommended crop. And I like that. Now what I'm going to do is fix the vertical perspective. You'll see that we were a little off angle here, and there's some skew to the building. With one click, it fixes that and squares things up. Now I like the composition, but I'm going to change it slightly just to balance this a little bit more. What I'm going to do here is force it so that those windows are centered between the frame. Composition is always subjective, but I do recommend and I like the tighter crop. I also like the verticals that it fixed. Now with one more click, I've got a perfect level horizon. And so you can see that we did quite a bit of fixing there on the picture to remove unwanted perspective issues. Let's do one more. Here we have some different composition issues. I'm off to the side and I'm not expecting a perfectly level horizon, but you see there that it correctly detected the horizon line as opposed to the fact that we were shooting the road at an angle. And the vertical perspective there analyzes and made a very subtle fix to fix those verticals. So I like the tighter crop and everything that's there. If you want to, you can of course choose specific cropping ratios, and it will reframe as well. But use the Composition AI to start, and then you could choose from the recommended crops if you want to go with a different shape. In any case, Composition AI solves a couple of problems. Is my photo well composed? Are the verticals properly positioned? And is the horizon level? Now, you of course could be shooting from a tripod and using the built-in level on your camera, but that still can be off by a few degrees. This assistance really comes in handy to just improve the technical aspects of your photograph.